We are talking about sleep. In Chinese medicine, sleep is related to a variety of things. I'm going to lay it out right now, and then we'll dive deeper as the course progresses. Basically, sleep is a condition that starts from the fire element in association with the heart. And when I say heart, lung, kidney, I refer to the energy within the organ system. It doesn't mean like there is a disease of the organ, like a Western medicine mindset will think of. Okay? There is an imbalance. We all have a certain amount of energy. This energy gets distributed in the body, and some organ systems take more, some take less, for whatever reason. Again, mental, physical, emotional. We don't know. We'll have to explore more. But that's generally what's going on. And then the idea is to identify which element on organs takes more and those that take less, so then it can be redistributed. Okay? This is not the focus of this course, but the focus of this course is to understand how sleep, the importance of sleep, how affects our overall well-being, and then what can be done to address it. And so it can the sleep issue, sleep patterns varies depending on a myriad of things. From a Chinese perspective, it's environmental, of course. It's a lifestyle, of course. And then there are things that we can address to help a particular condition. Just an example. So if the person tends to have palpitations, the person has a chatty mind, talks a lot, there's just a mind that is not quiet. There tends to be heat in the body, anxiety. Those are things that point to a fire imbalance. So I will expect that the person, in addition to that, also will have sleep issues. Okay? So that's in the reverse. If somebody has sleep issues, and I will be asking those questions. Anxiety, you tend to feel heat in the chest. Are you affected by heat overall as a climate? You feel palpitations, any heart conditions, those are a little more depth, feeling the pulse. So that's the place I will start. That's heart related. Other times there is a lung component, there is a dryness, there is sadness. The emotions could have an impact in the functions of the organ system, and it could affect sleep. Emotions, it's a big piece. Liver, it's another important player in sleep. So we'll take a look at those more in depth as the class progresses.